Hey shoppers, today we have a cordless vacuum cleaner. We're gonna unbox it, put it together, and use it. All right, so we have it out of the box. It does have a user manual on how to operate it, how to care for it. A mounting rack, so you can attach it to your wall when you're not using it. It is cordless, so literally this little cord charges the whole machine. You unplug it and then you are completely cordless, which I love. So you can vacuum all of your stairs. You can go to places where there is no power, like your car, and it's not a problem because it is cordless. It has an assortment of accessories. So this fine tip angle, so you can get in between your car seats, your couch. Of course, this is nice. It has the brush, so you can brush and suction at the same time. This is the actual vacuum where the motor is and stuff. It does have a nice large digital screen right here. Let's go set it up and show you how it works. This part connects into this right here. Next right here. This is where you charge it. So the cord goes right into there to charge the battery. You can remove the battery to make it easy to charge, because this is what you charge up by simply clicking these green buttons and sliding the battery in and out. Accessories, you just take this one off to use these. But this one is the one that gets your wood floors, your carpet, your tile floor. So really cool. It has an expander, so it gives you a nice reach. And then this is how you pop it on and off to change it out. Right here is how you clean the dustbin. I like that it's clear so you can see in it in case you like vacuum up coins or whatever, you can see it. Dust bin removal, you just click this button right here. Right here you can see max, so once it gets to max, you want to remove it. The way that you power it on is click this button right here. And then this is turbo. Nice digital screen right here. Tells you how much battery life you have. When you hit turbo, it will show you. So now we're going to do turbo mode. Notice the lights in the front.